Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to allow to install unknown apps on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to security and privacy. Now from here, first of all, just disable auto blocker. Now just enter your lock screen pin. Now after you disable auto blocker, just go to more security settings. Now from here, just tap on install unknown apps. And from here, just enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install unknown apps. For an example, if you want to install an unknown app from the Chrome app, just enable the toggle for Google Chrome. Just like that. And this is how you can allow to install unknown apps on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.